he's in massive trouble. Because breaking news, the Constitutional Court has just ruled that the Phala Phala report, that initial preliminary investigation, must be sent to the impeachment committee in Parliament for a full and proper investigation into what happened involving the president's couch, all of the American dollars in the couch. Why were they in the couch? Were they supposed to be in the couch? How were they stolen from the couch? And did the president and members of his security detail commit wrongdoing and illegalities in response to that robbery? You might remember at the end of 2022, an independent panel provided a preliminary investigation of the available facts, just from a light preliminary investigation, to the National Assembly, and said that from their preliminary investigation, they found enough evidence to suggest that the president had potentially committed wrongdoing. The National Assembly, by a majority, I remember that's ANC majority National Assembly, then voted to not send that report to the impeachment committee for a full and proper investigation into the facts to find out what really happened. That stopped the Phala Phala investigation completely back in 2022. The Constitutional Court just ruled, listen properly, they just ruled that the rule which allowed the National Assembly to vote at that stage to stop or not send the preliminary report to the impeachment committee. The Concord just ruled that that rule is unconstitutional and invalid, and so they have set that aside, and they have ruled, listen properly, that the preliminary report be sent to the impeachment committee and the rules of parliament be rewritten to stop this kind of unconstitutional vote from ever happening again. This is a massive win for specifically the EFF, who won with partial costs, 2 out of 3 of their legal team's costs covered, and the ATM, who brought the case. This is a huge moment which certainly will throw the president into greater scrutiny over what happened at Phala Phala, and might end up in a recommendation for impeachment. And if that happens, we will see the National Assembly vote on whether or not to impeach and remove the president of South Africa. It's
bafowethu into ongayazi inkuluku nawe apha mangami lo ngishilo ngathi now we're living in the time where sikhuluma khona nge-age of Aquarius. This is what is happening. Inkantolo ephakeme isirulile into eyenziwa iPhalamende lapho khona kwakuhlangene imdodovu ye-ANC ithi I vote no, I vote no, I vote no. Nakhumbula ngo-2020, nakhumbula ukuthi ngibuke kahle, kwaku-2022 lahlangana iPhalamende lapho khona lasihlangene livote ukuthi liphikisana nokuthi uRamaphosa kuzofuneka aphendule ngesinqumo sokuthi into lena ayenza ukuthi kutholakale izizubulu zezimali ePhalamende. Kokukhona kwakune rule lapha usection 89 ipanel report that eyayithi kumele ukuthi uRamaphosa aphendule. Yena njalo uRamaphosa wakhetha ikomiti, wakhetha i-commission yokuthi icubungule ibheke ngokwenzeke ePhalamende ebese iletha umbiko. Yakwenza konke, yaqeda, yakubeka obala, yasithi uRamaphosa kuzofuneke aphendulile khona kumthintayo ekufuneke makakuphendulile. Nawe yini yenzeka lapho? iPhalamende lamudefenda, lamuvikela. Siyakhumbula babesuma bethi I vote no, I vote no. Ngiyakhumbula oBhekicele, oPravin Kotani, obani bonke labo gogo laba kwakunogogo laba be-ANC namakhehle ANC, bonke babesuma bethi I vote no, I vote no, I vote no. Kumnandi. Kodwa umama uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma uyena kuphela wasukuma wama wathi I vote yes. EFF yamshayela ihlombe. Lokho ngikhumbula kahle, ngayilalela leya kahle and yangicika, yanginyakisa ibhadi, because really there was a big corruption. Since I know ukuthi eSouth Africa awuvunyelwe ukuthi ube nesamba esemali elisendlini esingaphezu ka-25,000 sibe sendlini. Ngiyakwazi lokho, sifundisiwe ngalokho, sitsheliwe ngalokho, kaningazi ukuthi uma kwenzeka uthola ngalokho ungagwetshwa ngisho u-10 years in prison uma uzothola ngalowo mali. Kunemali ekufuneka uyi-report enkantolo. Sorry, uyi-report uyidictele ukuthi le mali njengoba la ifike kanjani, uyithole kanjani, ingeyani, imali ihlala ebhenki ayihlali endlini. Bhekani-ke lezi zumbulu zamadola futhi. Wasting amadola ahlezi endlini, imali engeyona ekhanda ihlezi endlini. So-ke iphalamende la committer i-crime, lento eyayenza ukuthi benze leya nto ukuthi bevote ukuthi uRamaphosa enga-impeachwa noma engakhishwa, bafuna ukumdefenda. uRamaphosa kwakufuneke aphendule, aziphendulele, athi go through all the process ukuthi aphendule futhi ajeze ukuthi yena kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi eplazini lakhe kube kuhlale izizumbulu zezimali. So-ke ngoba-ke bafethu amandla omuntu awadliwa. I-EFF efake leli cala ingane kwethu, sonke siyazi ukuthi nami ngimelane nayo ngomsebenzi yayo ibingabi mihle yokuthi isekele noma ivikele labantu bokufika. Lapho-ke ayisolve yayiwina-ke le EFF ayihambe yofa benomongameli wayo. Kodwa-ke la EFF iyona ewinile, iyona yafaka lokhu ukuthi no, uyafaka leli cala laphana eConcord. Manje-ke iConcord nanto-ke isivumelane-ke isivuna yona-ke i-EFF ngokuthi kuvotelwe iphalaphala ekwenzeni ukuthi kuchithwe i-report yephalaphala. So-ke now umongameli kufanele aphendule ngemali eyatholakala kuSofa. Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa, uRamarama, uCupcake, kumele aphendulile ngemali eyizizimbulu eyatholakala kuSofa. Ukuthi njengoba abantu behlupheka kangaka eSouth Africa, njengoba abantu becindezelwe kangaka eSouth Africa, kodwa kunomuntu onemali ehlezi kuSofa inkulungwane zeyimali izumbulu, and kuba ama-US dollar. Lena othi noma uyithathe laphana ebhenke uhamba uyaphesheya, ubutshele kuthiwa make sure uma kukhona esalile ibuyise, udonsa ngamadlebe uyibuyise. Kodwa uRamaphosa kwangenzeka lutho ngalokho. Now nansi icourt manje iyarola ithi no, akwenzi kwanga ubulungiswa ngokuthi bevotela ukuthi akanga-impeachwa noma akangasuswa esihlalweni, akwenze kwanga ubulungiswa. Kwakufuneke aphendule aqondane naleyo process. Uyabona? So nje umongameli kwakufuneka aphendulile. Kwakungekho nje futhi emthethweni ukuthi umongameli abe nemali kuSofa. Kwakungekho emthethweni nakancane. Kwakungekho emthethweni. Njengoba ngisasho ukuthi uyedwa kuphela umama uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma owasukuma wathi I vote yes. Lo muntu wathi as a member, as a disciplined member of the ANC, I will vote yes. But yonke lemhonqonqo yemgulukudu yemdlwembe eyasukuma public, that's bafowethu kuzofuneke ke nifundeni ukuthi noma ningakhohlakala kanjani, musani ukuya ephalamende niye nomoya wokubola bese nize nifuna ukubola ngisho public. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not ever do that nonsense. That's a crime on its own ukuthi you stand kwiPhalamende phambi kwabantu and ufunge uthi usho into wrong owazi ukuthi ayikho i-wrong. I-wrong lo nto leyo. Nisimislead, nidlale ngathi niyasihlukumeza. Emotionally, niyasihlukumeza. So when there's abuser, you are abusers. This has to stop. This has to stop. You guys, we have trusted you. Sanivotela sanibeka emandleni ngaba lapho but knows bullshit. We don't want that. No abuser sifuni. Bona kancane. And it's enough. We are tired. I'm glad that the court has ruled ebugebengwini nabenza. Cha-ke njengoba ngisasho nje EFF siyabonga kuyona into engiqala ukuyibona-ke mina le eniyenzile ukuthi nithathe lento nidlulise enkantolo ephakeme, ngiyaqala ukuyibona le. Akunendaba nokunye abanye bawukubona, kodwa yilokho engikubonayo engikuvumayo ukuthi ngiyaqala ukukubona. Kodwa lokho ukuthi nivikele ama-illegal foreigners, go to hell. That one, you never get it from anybody else. You never get it and you have never win it and it will never happen. Particularly nginishayela izandla EFF wedane ukuthi nithatha lo daba nilise le angazi nanade nilindeleni sonke lesikhathi lokho nivuna lo mgulukudu oSiril Ramaphosa. This now we don't want this. We do not want this corruption. The age of Aquarius, it has started to work. It's spitting fire. And the age of Aquarius, ixosha yonke manipulation, konke ukukhohlakala kwenu, konke ukungcola yakususa, yonke into manje izoba transparent. This is a sign of transparency. The laws of the universe are working for itself as a cleanser. Ngikutshela. And the age of Aquarius ngaze ngayifanisa nolwandle ukuthi ulwandle yonke imfula yaseThekwini idudula yonke ukungcola iyokufaka olwandle. Uthi mawugudla ngo-M4 uhamba ubonela ungcolile usebele olwandle lonke. Kodwa give it isonto only 1 week. Ulwandle kusuke sengathi akaze kube khona yonke lento ungcolo kade kufakwe yimifula idudulela olwandle. All the rivers flows to the sea with all junks and everything, but in 1 week ulwandle is able to chase it out and cleanse it out of itself. This is ngikhuluma ke age of Aquarius ukuthi i-age of Aquarius yenza njalo ikhuculula i-corruption yonke, isusa konke ukungcola, isusa yonke i-manipulation, ikususa konke ukukhohliswa okuyize okungenasidingo. Yonke lento ekucindezela abantu nithanda ningathandi nani benikade nisebenzisa imali. Your time is over. Game over, game over, game over. Age of Aquarius. uNkulunkulu uyithathela yena isinqumo. uNkulunkulu uyithathela yena isinqumo. Nangayikhathi zoNoah wathatha isinqumo wakhuluma noNoah ukuthi akakho umkhumbi. KwakuNkulunkulu wathatha isinqumo ngizokwenza ukuthi. Kune-corruption ayisusa waqala another chapter. So i-chapter ye-corruption is over. Iphelile iyavalwa, shut down i-chapter ye-corruption. Ingakho sesikwi-age of Aquarius. Qala okusha manje okudala kuyahamba. Thank you.
Abantu asihlalani phansi ke sangiyothi niyayilandela musi yonke lento ebeyiphalaphala Constitutional Court no Cupcake. Niyayilandela yonke lento kanye benilinde mina. Nitsho kaloku xa nilinde mina mamelani bantu asinto yenzekayo. So ndandinibalisele musi into nokubona uCupcake wachava imali phansi kwecouch. Yava bafika abantu abaclever bayithatha la mali. Yabo Cupcake into awayenzayo wabiza obruru bakhe abangamapolisa yaqonda aba bakwi presidential kuthiwa ntoni presidential security wethu wabiza bona into nokubana phandani lento ale mali yami le ndiyayifuna. Kuthiwa it was about $500,000. It was a lot of money. Yava wathi phandani lento ndifuna le mali. So la mapolisa lani ke ngokubantu aphanda but koku kuphanda kwabo basebenzisa i-state resources. Yaqonda. So i-SIU ke ngoku yakhupha i-report into nokubana siza kwenza ntoni ngala mapolisa abhizi asebenzisa imali ye-state uphanda into ka-president. Yaqonda. So loo nto leyo ke bantu asiyoba kwenziwa ntoni ngamapolisa. Already SIU ikhuphile i-report ne-recommendations. If nifuna uyazi nisearche phala nizanibona ngibe ilokho pink. Ndiyayicacisa loo nto pha. So fine. Now ke ngoku lesi yamapolisa siya-understand. Upresident yena kwenziwe ntoni ngaye. So upresident bantase after kuvakele lento yasephalaphala kodwa hayi lo makasiwe komkhulu ke kuseparlament. Kodwa lo makasiwe komkhulu wasiwa uCupcake eparlament. Kwabuzwa kuCupcake eparlament njengoba yemfo kabawo waba ne$500,000 phansi kwecouch. Kwakwenzeke ntoni? Wayithatha le mali. Uthi ke no wayethengise ezibhokwe ezi Springbok. Wayethengise zona ezithengisela umuntu wase-South America. So lo muntu ke ngoku nguye ke ngokuluza $. Yaqonda. So kuthiwa ke ngoku okay fine uthengise something, so why ungayideclaranga into nokubana wena ufumene imali from this person? Kanake no guys, ndandizayideclare but I was busy. Yabo I was busy with my presidential duties. Khange ngifumane i-chance into nokubana ndiyoyideclare yonke lento. Otherwise kuthiwa I think it happened, I think uyifumene imali ngoku and then 2 months later yabiwa. So it was a short period of time wethu. So uCupcake ukuthi no yi-reason yoba ndibe kanti andiyideclare ndandingenale ntoza ndandingenaxesha guys ndibusy because kufuneka ndidile nento ezininzi. Yabo hayi fine ke ngokweparlament after uCupcake enikeze i-reasons zakhe kwathini kwathiwa okay makuvotwe ke ngoku into nokubana kuyaqhutyeka ke uyaphandwa uCupcake okanye iyayekwa lento. Zavota xa bezi ANC zonke zaphakamisa zathi hayi mayiyekwe lento. Ayekwa. phakamisa hey Qhushumba i-EFF yasanjani waqhushumba nalabhuti we-ATM ngubani kanene nguluvuyo na ya Qhushumba kodwa nayo so Qhushumba luneBeretta ezibomvu nalo Qhushumba bobabili bathi ayasoze ayizukwazi uyekwa kwathini but batyiwa ivote after betyiwa ivote bayithatha ke ngoba the Constitutional Court which is a level up from iParliament. As the Constitutional Court bafika phaya bathi hey nanku umuntu usixakile pha and obruru bakhe bayamvotela bathi mayiyekwe le investigation because thina sityiwa ivote but lento le ayikho semthethweni yava yahlala thaca lonto ediskeni ka Judge Mandisamaya qonda Judge Mandisamaya mayijonga ezini manager banochuku abeBeretta ezibomvu banochuku yava kanti uzaqhushumba wesilowe Beretta ezibomvu wathi hey mfoka bawo siyayifuna la judgment siyayifuna and ke ngoku after sivotile bantase yayi-GNU hayi ke ngokwaqhushumba wesi because no ilento ze-ANC ibingena majority ke ngoku pha eParliament so ke ngoku wonke umuntu ke ngoku uyaqhushumba eParliament ukuthi ubana nina ANC kudala semjongile nina nisiqhala kakubi so siyafuna into nokubana nyani upresident aye kulanto yala Constitutional Court uJudge Maya ayikhuphi judgment wafumana ipressure ke ngoku uJudge Maya pressure left right and center and then ke ngoku yena lo kuthiwa nguCupcake inyawo zakhe zabe zijongene wabe esithi into nobana no it's fine if ever defined or guilty like it's okay dala what you must basically yabo so uJudge Maya ke ngokubantu ase ubuyile namhlanje uthi no ndizonikeza ijudgment qala wa apologize ngento nobana uthathe wenze idelay ngayo yonke lento so after iapologizile watsho ke ngokunto nobana no kuzafuneke kwenziwe section 89 meaning that kuzafuneke kuyiwe kuyokwenza impeachment meaning that now president kuza investigator kuzanywe ufunyaniswe kwinto nobana upresident is he fit na to still hold isithi yobupresident yethu apha eSouth Africa not fit but like can he be ipresident yethu if ever uyakwazi ukuphula umthetho kanje basically uzawukwazi na usibamba esasitulo with dignity le esisideservayo yaqonda so kuzawukwenziwa lonto ke ngokubanda so uJudge Maya uthe makwenziwe lonto so ke ngoku akuzutshiwo ke ngoku pha eConstitution akuchiwongo pha eConstitutional Court into nokubana guilty or not guilty kuthiwa into nokubana mayithathwe kwenziwe impeachment then ke ngoku lo impeachment process yiyo ke ngoku azaw decide into nokubana do we still have lo wenyawo ezijongeneyo as ipresident okanye izawuthini into but ke uCupcake I don't think at this point he cares whether he's president or not unless nina nazi into ningayaziyo because mna uCupcake indlela aphole ngayo I think uzixelela into nokubana hayi nizandikhupha xa nifuna undikhupha it's okay that's how I feel I don't know how you guys feel.
Oh, Sana, what a time to be alive. What a time. What a time. So the Constitutional Court has ruled. I'm going to explain to you, but I just want to say shout out to the EFF. If you don't vote for the EFF, I don't know, because the EFF is here fighting for South Africans. When the ANC tried to bully all the other political parties because they had bigger numbers to suppress the prima facie evidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa, to stop the investigation going forward, to stop the recommendations going to the impeachment committee so that he's not investigated, because the independent panel said there is prima facie evidence. This actually does not make sense. A crime was committed here. That's what the independent panel said. Something is not adding up here. We need to recommend this further. We need to get a bigger scope to be able to investigate this. The ANC said, no ways, we are not going to do it. To a point where President Cyril Ramaphosa even wanted to resign, but they were like, don't worry, we can put a lead on this thing. So shout out to the EFF for fighting. Julius Malema did say that Phala Phala will never die. They hung onto that thing like a dog hanging onto a bone. And today, you know, the EFF again brings victory home. And shout out to the ATM as well. Zungula has pulled his weight. Shout out. And yeah, it's just like, honestly, it's someone said to me they're surprised that Judge Maya ruled in Donald, it was not even about her. So someone is saying, she's got balls. I'm saying it was never about her. It's about the reputation. It's about the credibility of the Concord. It was no longer about her. Whatever decision that they made or that she made really would have compromised the entire credibility of the highest court, So she had to do the right thing. So now the question is, will President Cyril Ramaphosa resign? Like what's going to happen? And the ANC now does not even have power. What are they going to do? Is Paul Mashatile coming in? Hey, is Mashatile coming in? Well, we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen, but at least now, I see the chief whip of the EFF, I just saw now they've posted, chief whip has written to the speaker. So let's see if president is going to survive this. President Julius Malema said, if he has a conscience, it's time for him to resign now. Let me actually play this clip where Usamkela Maseko was actually asking questions here, because I feel like he asked him valid questions. So today is a big victory, guys, because they have tried to suppress this thing. Everyone ruled in favor. Abo SARS, Abo Ntoni, everyone tried to suppress this. SARS says no, they said there was nothing wrong. So they tried to suppress this thing. All these other institutions tried. This was a fight not only just against the ANC but against the other institutions as well. And now they must answer. When they said no, it took the Constitutional Court to say no. This is not right. So why were they supporting in the wrong? So meaning that they are going against the rule of law. The same rule of law that they preach. It's the same as the DA. The DA used to say, oh, pala. Now they are quiet because they are in the GNU. What's going to happen to them? Because Galoko, if they take Ramaphosa down, Siapeli Songa Sab, what's going to happen? So it's honestly, it's a big day, and shout out to the EFF. Oh, Sana. What a time to belong to a party that puts South Africans first.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are reacting to Lindzaba ya Ramaphosa ye phala, and most people are saying that nothing will happen to him. Bayasho nje ukuthi nala khona we are sure ukuthi akakathuka kanandzaba njena uRamaphosa uyati ukuthi kude into leto yendeka kuye. One thing about these government officials, they always get away with everything. Isho ba investigator, batholwa ba guilty, nothing ever happens to them, and people are saying ukuthi kuyafana noma siyajabula noma sithini, nothing will happen to uRamaphosa. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.